How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Gmail not receiving their verification code. Now if you're trying to log in on certain applications or certain websites and it's asking for verification code but you're not receiving the verification code at all, then what you want to do is you want to first make sure that your phone is not on the do not disturb mode. If your phone is on do not disturb mode, you won't be able to get any notifications, so you want to disable it and check if there is any. So if there isn't, then you can simply open up Gmail application and tap on the three horizontal line there and then tap on spam and see if the text has been sent to spam. If there is no any text at all, you're not getting the code at all, then what it might be that it might be the server issue within the website that you're trying to log in or the application that you're trying to log in. So what you want to do is you can go ahead there and you can try and wait for a couple of minutes or hour before you try logging in again. However, if you still do not get the verification code, then you can directly contact the customer support of that particular website or app that you're trying to log in. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.